gonna mix it. Too hot! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna and today I will be doing a first of its kind on my channel, and this is a taste test video of the newly launched, I forgot the name, newly launched Maggi Masalas of India limited edition. So it is a limited edition and this is how the box looks. So this is exclusively available only on Paytm if I'm not wrong. That's what's written here, and I bought it from Paytm itself. This huge box retails for 240 rupees. So there are 4 flavors here. One is Amritsari Achari, the other is Mumbaiya Chatak, the third one is Super Chennai, and the fourth one is Bengali Jhal. So these are the 4 flavors from the different cities that I just mentioned. I'm just going to open it. So this is how they look, separated by like flaps. So these 3 are Bengali Jhal, these 3 are Mumbaiya Chatak, these 3 Amritsari Achari, and this must be what Chennai? Some Chennai, Super Chennai. Packaging wise, it's like the same standard plastic packaging which has a standard more yellow outlook to the entire packet. Okay, so I'm just gonna go cook all 4 of them and do a first impression taste test for you guys. Okay, so I'm back and I have all the 4 flavors right here with me. But first, a Snapchat behind the scenes. Recording live! First one that I'm going to try is the Mumbai Chatak because that's what I made first. So I have my bowl here. Ow! It's hot! It's hot! First, let's see what Mumbai Chatak claims. A mix of zesty piquant spices like star anise, clove, cinnamon and kasuri methi. Okay, I don't know what it smells like. It has vegetables, so I don't like vegetables. If you guys don't know this, I hate vegetables. There's carrot and there's some green thing, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna give this a taste. Okay. First impression wasn't that great because, I don't know, it just felt very bland. Like it didn't have any masala. Maybe the gravy has like kind of seeped beneath, so I'm just gonna mix it and then taste it. It's gonna have it with the masala now. Okay, now the masala, I got the entire taste. It tastes healthy, like the Maggi oats. If you see my face like all scrunched up, it's because of the vegetables, because I don't enjoy cooked vegetables at all. It's okay, quite average. Like I won't repurchase this. So yeah, it's like a one-time thing. So the next one I'm going to taste is Amritsar Achari. It smells really nice and I can connect Amritsar to it. I guess it's because of the jeera that they've put. So it really smells like the pickles that you get in Punjab or in Amritsar. I can't see any vegetables. I can just see like jeera. It has coriander, cumin, kalonji and red chili. Pickle smell is quite apparent. Whoa. Okay, it just literally tastes like achar and Maggi. I like khatta, so I'm enjoying it. If you're not a fan of jeera, you won't like this at all because it does have a strong jeera flavor and also very strong like achar taste. So if you're not a pickle fan, you will just not like this at all. I definitely like this more than the other one, but I'm not sure if I will pick this up again. Taste wise, everything, it is nice. It's just now personal preference. I personally don't think I'll pick it up again because I still like my regular Maggi more than the 2 that I've tasted, honestly speaking. The next one is Bengali Jhal. So this has kalonji, cumin, fenugreek and mustard seeds and aniseed. A mix of 5 spices found in every Bangla kitchen. So here goes Bengali Jhal. This one is surprisingly the most spicy till now. Like I thought Amritsar Achari will be the most spicy. But this is a bit spicy, which I love. I love it. I like it. I really like it. This tastes like normal masala Maggi with extra masala. Like I always add the extra masala sachets that you get. I add it to my normal Maggi and it becomes really, you know, masaledar and very spicy. So this actually tastes like that. Till now my favorite is Bengali jhal for sure. We have one last one to go before I give my final verdict. And this is the Super Chennai flavor, topped with signature herbs and spices for a truly Super Chennai twist. Now what is this Super Chennai twist? We'll know only when we taste it. I can see 4 major ingredients. One is tamarind, sambar powder, no surprise, mustard seeds and curry leaves. So it does have a very Chennai and, you know, South Indian sort of flavors. I can smell the curry leaves, sambar powder. It's so weird, like I can't even bring myself to think what it is. I can taste the tamarind, which I really like because I love tamarind. I'm not a big fan of the smell. Like it smells like I'm going to have sambar but I get Maggi. Don't like the combination of the two. Like I'd rather have my sambar separate and Maggi separate, you know. It's nice. Like I can maybe imagine myself picking this up again. Maybe, just maybe. Whew, so that was like a burst of flavors in my mouth. I don't even know what's happening in my stomach right now because I've just had like all the spices of India. Okay, kidding, but most of them anyways, because I like that they had like 4 completely stark flavors and spices mixed in them. I do like the concept of it, but I honestly don't know how far this will go. But anyways, it is a limited edition, so if it really works out for Maggi and everyone just goes all out and buys them and loves them, then obviously they might just make it a regular thing. Mumbai Chatak didn't do it for me. Like I don't know, it was just really weird. Tasted strongly of like some kind of garam masala or something, and I don't know, it was just not my thing. And it has so many vegetables which I'm not a fan of. So if you like vegetables in your Maggi, then maybe you will like it, but I personally just don't like. It was my least favorite for sure. And the Amritsari achari, I'm actually a huge fan of achar and pickles. I love pickles. I add achar to everything in my food, so I really love achar. And I did like the taste, definitely the closest to what they claimed in the packet. It's really sour like a pickle. Now coming to Bengali jhal, you guys know that this was my favorite out of all of them. I really liked how spicy this was. I can see myself picking this up if it's, you know, on a counter. Then the last one was Super Chennai. This might just be a tie for me with the Amritsar Achari because both have a very different taste altogether. So that was my taste test of the Maggi Taste of India masala packet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like taste tests and first impressions. Lots and lots of videos coming up. They're also like my Goa vlogs. 3 vlogs coming your way. They're a lot of fun, and I put so much of thought and effort into making these vlogs. Stay subscribed and part of my notification squad so you are updated whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, I think that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and you have an amazing day ahead. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are